Hey everyone, it's Shane from Bikeberry, and today we're back with another video on the GigaByke Groove V2. As you may already know, GigaByke does a great job of renovating their products according to customer feedback. So far on the GigaByke Groove, they've renovated the paint that they use, the size of the magnets in the motor, and even the kickstand. Today we're going to go over the new packaging on the GigaByke Groove, how to assemble the bike, getting you guys on the road sooner. So without any further delay, let's get started. Make sure to plug in your battery, as first charge may take 4 to 6 hours. Start by cutting the packaging on the box. The box should then slide open when standing upright. Your GigaByke should be packaged as shown. Take off the protective wrapping on the rear cargo rack. Open the compartment, which should hold the following parts: speedometer cover, side plating, mirrors, charger, speedometer cover bracket, pedals, footrests, handlebar mounts, and miscellaneous tools. Next, go to the body of the GigaByke and gently begin removing the packaging, working your way to the front. Unwrap your handlebars, speedometer, blinkers, headlight, and front wiring box. To install your upper steering plate, begin by undoing the bolt from the lower steering plate to the front of the wiring box. Place your upper steering plate over the stem of the lower steering plate while fishing it through the rubber cover. Make sure your upper steering plate is facing outward. Line up the holes from the steering plates and the wiring box. Place the bolt back in and make sure it's secure and fastened tight. Take your handlebar mounts and place them on the upper steering bracket. They should line up and fit as shown. Use the bolts provided to secure to the steering plate. Guide your handlebars and wiring through the steering plate. Take the top half of your handlebar mount and bolt down in your desired positioning. Position your speedometer and cover mount and screw into place. Place your blinkers on top of the steering bracket. Bolt down both sides. Undo the bolt located above the wiring box. Align the headlight with the holes while keeping wires organized. Place the bolt back through the hole and tighten headlight in desired positioning. Loosen the 4 bolts on the mount and ready your speedometer cover. When mounting, make sure the washer is placed on the outside of the cover. Tighten and secure. Ready your front cover by finding and slipping on the 2 clips provided with the big holes facing out. Apply the front cover by lining up with the bracket. The bottom of the cover should properly fit with this rubber washer, and the top should be screwed into the clips previously assembled. Tighten the screws. Find the split pin and from the left-hand side pass the split pin through the bottom of the PVC pin and bend it slightly so it will not come out easily. Slide your pedal onto the arm of the lower frame of the bike. Use the bolt provided to tighten the pedal into place. Make sure to invert your pedal placement on the other side of the bike. Take your rear fender and line up the holes from the fender with the frame. Insert and place the screws. Next, line up the rear fender bracket coming from the axle and install the 2 screws. Tighten and repeat on the other side. Place the rear footrest on the 2 bolts on the frame. Use 2 nuts to tighten in place. Apply the side plating and use a nut on the protruding bolt. Apply your mirrors to the holes on the handlebars. Tighten, then use the nut to assure fixed positioning. Push down the rubber covers. Your GigaByke Groove is now assembled, secure, and ready to hit the road.